Hey YouTube, Bill here. I have a problem. My 2006 Toyota Sienna will not open the door from the inside, so I'm going to try and take it apart and see what we get. First step is to pop this little piece open. There's a screw in there. And we have a screw right down here. Now we have another screw in here. That should, I think, allow us to pop this piece off. I need two hands here for that. Alright, so I pulled here, and then you pull back there. That allows you to disconnect these little wire blocks. Finger hit the stop button trying to do that. There's one. And come on. Screwdriver. Alright, that's not gonna come free. Two hands again. I didn't need two hands, I just needed to press the tab. Well, maybe I did need two hands. There's a little tab on the bottom. There we go. Tiny screwdriver for the win. Alright, now if I can remember this correctly, I think I have this right here. Wait, if I can climb out. This isn't really a screw. I need to take these two screws out because there's one more screw holding the panel on underneath there. Yep, there you go. Now what I'm hoping to find is one of the two cables just came loose. Oh, I forgot to take this cover panel off. I think just pops off if I remember correctly. Yep. Just has one little focus. Alright, now we take this off. I'm hoping to find that one of these two popped off on the inside. Yep. See these little... one of these popped off. So it just gets in there. You can see it. Let's see if I can find a way to get the camera in there. See, it just has to go over there. And that pops in there. Now it's back on. We should put it back in its little sleeve here. So cables just had to go back in there. Now, just hook it back up over the door panel. Oops. Alright, pop the pins back in. There's a bunch of them in there. And now we reverse the process. Oh, we should probably check it, see if it works, but we're gonna re-secure the door anyway. At least the first screw. Alright, let's see if this works now. Yep, and the door opens and closes. Alright, so putting it back together is just a reverse of the process. Here, please. Over there. I need our. That's in there. Over. Yeah, that's first. So I'm wait. Put it in here. Got it. Right in. Got this screw. Down here. Down to 30. So I'll do those. And that screw goes in here. And last piece. And done. Thanks for watching. Now it's done.